How to reach board 300 in Monopoly Go. Now, there are only minimal features that you can go ahead and try so that you can easily reach out board 300. So, board 300 is actually the max level that you can go in Monopoly Go. So, what you need to do is just to play consistently, upgrade landmarks, complete boards, and earn rewards as well. Your main goal is to progress by rolling the dice and moving around the board. Complete a board, and you must build and upgrade all the landmarks on each property set. And once all landmarks on a board are upgraded, you will complete it and unlock the next one. While earning rewards is by completing each board gives you additional rewards which can actually help you upgrade faster. Play consistently, upgrade landmarks, complete boards, and earn rewards. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to reach board 300 in Monopoly Go.